So we're here dropping off this load. I like to offload my truck myself, if you get what I'm saying, because these big forklift going in your truck, more weight and all of that on your axle, so you can use your pallet jack and take them off. It's better. So we're in here in Orlando doing this drop off. This stuff here. This is how we do, man. Yep. This is how we do. I want to see if we could find something to go back down south. A dispatcher is saying he don't see anything on the board going back down south. So we might have to go back down anyway. That is why if you're doing locals, you have to ensure that the money that you're getting for the load is, you gotta even double it, man, in terms of you gotta always check in your dead end. You know what I mean? So, because many times you make the delivery, then you don't got anything to go back down. So the money gotta be good. You get what I'm saying? For sure. Forget the cheap load business, man. It ain't gonna work in this business. Yeah. You gotta ensure you get what you want, what you deserve. Even if your dispatcher is acting like they don't want to get you what you're asking for, then it's time to get a new dispatcher. You know what I mean? We're out here to eat. You gotta be aggressive. I learned it, man, the hard way. If you don't be aggressive, people will take advantage of you. So you gotta get that bread. From high or low, man. Yeah, man, you have to get the bread, man. You know what I mean? But this was a easy load, you know. Light, something like 3,000 pounds. So this is how we do. My truck actually holds 14 skids. Yeah. Yeah, it's a big truck. Box is 30 feet, so can hold a lot of stuff. But I'm gonna cut it down to a 26 foot. I'm definitely gonna use the 4 feet for the sleeper. Yeah. Something like that. Yeah, but if you can offload the truck and it's not big deal, I think you should. Don't let those forklifts damage your truck, man. Yeah. Even if the truck is not yours, I think you should take care of the truck. That's how God bless you. He watches how you take care of other people's stuff. Then he said, okay, it's time for me to bless him with his own. That's right. You heard me. So, smash the like and the subscribe button. You know what I mean? I'm going to keep coming with some stuff that we got going on. I'm just trying to build, you know, something locally. If the food is not there local, we gotta go out the state. That's how we do it. So, God bless you guys. I love you. Alright, and be safe on the road. Look out for one another. That's the order of the day. Alright? I'm gonna keep you posted. I'm out. See, you're the boy, Money Mike. Give thanks daily.